I want to do a quick video, a comparison video. This is the Callaway Elyte Driver and the Mini Driver. I want to just compare them to show you a little bit difference in them. See, the driver right here is just a tad bit bigger, but the biggest part of them, you see how much bigger the face of it is. Yeah, this is a 460 cc, and this is 300 cc. So I'll let you check them out. This driver here is pretty straight, but I think this Mini driver is going to be a little bit straighter, but you're going to lose a little bit of distance compared to the driver. So if you're looking for a little bit more, if you want more distance and you don't have to worry about you being accurate, if you're pretty straight anyway, I would say go with the driver. But if you need a little bit more accuracy down the middle, that way you don't stay out of rough a little bit more, you might want to go with the Mini driver. They're both good clubs, or grab them on both. I mean, I know a lot of people have them both. My son uses the Mini driver, so he don't have to worry about distance. He hits it pretty far anyway, so he goes with the Mini driver, stay in the middle fairway, worry about the next shot. Don't have to worry about chipping out or anything like that. But both good clubs. But if you're interested, I'll leave a link to both of them in the description. This is a Callaway Elyte Driver and Callaway Elyte Mini Driver. Here, this driver is a 9.0. Mini driver, this one's 11.5. So you'll see you get a little bit more height out of it, but be a little bit straighter. You don't have to worry about going to the right or left. So if you're looking for good clubs, try them, check them out.